How to say, may I speak to, in Greek. May I speak to, μπορώ να μιλήσω με τον. May I speak to, μπορώ να μιλήσω με τον. Now you try. You would use μπορώ να μιλήσω με τον if you're asking for a male. If you're asking for a female, you would say μπορώ να μιλήσω με την. Μπορώ να μιλήσω με την. May I speak to? Μπορώ να μιλήσω με την. Now you try. You can also say is available. Είναι ο εkεί. Is available. Είναι ο εkεί. Now you try. You would say είναι ο εkεί if you're asking for a male. If you're asking for a female, you would say είναι η εkεί. Is available. Είναι η εkεί. Now you try. You can also say is home. Είναι ο σπίτι. Is home. Είναι ο σπίτι. Now you try. You would use είναι ο σπίτι when asking for a male. If you're asking for a female, you would say είναι η σπίτι. Είναι η σπίτι. Is home. Είναι η σπίτι. Now you try. And that's how to say, may I speak to, in Greek.